Welcome. In front of me is an Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power key, and when you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then bring up a window reboot to safe mode. Confirm it by tapping on OK, which will obviously initiate that reboot, and once the device boots back up, it will be in safe mode. Now, in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function normally. Anything that you have installed yourself, either to Play Store or any other means, will not be able to run in this mode. You won't be able to start it up whatsoever. And the reason for this is it's simply so you can troubleshoot your device. If you expect that some app is causing your device problems, you can boot it into this mode and kind of get an answer if it is, because if you have an app that will be causing you problems normally, in this mode, it has 0 ways of running. Anyway, as you can see, once the device boots up, you will have this marking right here, safe mode, and that's basically it. Now, normally, if you have some apps installed, I don't, the apps that will not be able to run, I believe they will be still visible, though they will be like transparent and in just grayish color only. So those apps, you will know that it won't run. And additionally, you can also see that widgets don't work here as well. Once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is hold your power key and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to the normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.